A very good afternoon to all. I am Ishan from class 9th and today I am here to give a presentation on Chandrayaan 3, which has been a topic of discussion for months now. Now let's talk about the mission profile. Since Chandrayaan 3 is the third and most recent lunar exploration program by Indian Space Research Organization, and it was done because of the failure of Chandrayaan 2, which failed due to a crash landing. Now here are the mission executives. The main executives are Mr. S. Mohana Kumar, who is the mission director, and Mr. S. Somnath, who is the chairman of Indian Space Research Organization. And here are some other prominent names from the mission. Now Chandrayaan 3, it was launched on 14 July 2023 at 2:35 p.m. IST from the Satish Dhawan Space Center second launch pad in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Here is the images representing the launch and also the image representing the Satish Dhawan Space Center. It is the same location from where Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan 1 were also launched. Now here are the mission objectives. What are the mission objectives and why are we going to the moon again and again? So the objectives are getting a lander to land safely and smoothly on the moon so that we can achieve this milestone which many few countries have achieved. The second objective is observing and demonstrating the rover's loitering abilities and capabilities on the moon, that how far our science has achieved. And the third one is in-site observation and conducting experiments. The rover's function is to conduct experiments on the lunar surface and provide it to the ISRO. Now here are the components of Chandrayaan 3. First is the integrated module, and here is the integrated module's other parts. Now integrated module is a part which consists many other parts in it. The rover, the lander and the propulsion module are three of the main parts of Chandrayaan 3. Now here are the Chandrayaan 3's name origins. Now we all have heard that Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan 3 both name origins are equal. Like the Pragyan rover was also in Chandrayaan 2 and also in Chandrayaan 3, and Vikram lander also. Though why the lander is known as Vikram? It is because the Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, also known as Dr. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai, is known as the father of Indian Space Research Organization, and that's why to pay tribute to him we have named it Vikram lander. And why the rover is known as Pragyan? Because Pragyan means wisdom in Sanskrit language. What is the difference between these two gadgets? Lander is a spacecraft that lands the spacecraft softly and smoothly on the moon, and the rover is a vehicle that moves here and there on the moon and will conduct experiments and researches. Now Chandrayaan 3's third part, as I told you, is Chandrayaan 3's propulsion module. The propulsion module is responsible for transporting and carrying the lander and rover whenever they are around the moon, and the main function of propulsion module is to carry the LM from vehicle injection orbit to till lander separation. Now Chandrayaan 3, what it will do and how it will reach the moon from Earth's orbit. Now in the next few days it will reach the moon's south pole, and it will slowly orbit around it orbited around the Earth, and then it will orbit around the moon. It has already entered moon's orbit and will soon reach Earth's moon's surface very soon. In this image, how you can see how the Chandrayaan 3 will have orbited the Earth and then shifting its orbit from Earth to moon into 100 kilometer lunar orbit. Now here are some most recent pics sent by Chandrayaan 3 on 6th of August at 2:35 p.m. IST near about. Now here are the two pics it sent to ISRO. Now here is a major updates given by the chairman of ISRO. The update is that the Chandrayaan 2's mistake will not be repeated by us now, because the Chandrayaan 3 has many significant updates that will help it to avoid the mistakes and the botches that caused the failure of Chandrayaan 2. Now what are the updates? He has already told, and we have already told. He has told that whether the engine malfunctions, the connection breaks, or whatever happens, the lander will try to land softly and smoothly on the moon. Now it was the presentation on Chandrayaan 3, and we wish all the best to ISRO and the whole India, because whenever it is successful, each and every Indian will be very proud. Thanks and have a nice day.